and go. Whoa, hey, yeah. What's up, bro? So, yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today is the, I think, third episode of the Hype Treasure World series. And is this Asborn Gaming? No, is it Sad Vibes? Okay, nice. So today is the third episode of Minecraft Hype Minigame series. In this series, I will play in Minecraft Hype Treasure, Minecraft Hype Minigames, all type of minigames, like without without only treasure one. Yeah, and wow, Preston plays skin. Nice. And guys, I'm not that good at English. I know. Yeah. I know. My English is not that better. Hey, what's up? Talking with me? Deluxe Killer. What's the name, sir? Hey. Wow. What's up? Hey, what is the name? Graceful. Hey, I am Hydra. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. So yeah, it's random high player. Okay, nice. So today I'm play Minecraft. Wait a minute, I have something. Costume, only one. Yeah, I know. I am so poor. Okay, the frog. Nice subtitle. Okay, the champion, the sky warrior. Okay, hey, how are you? XD, you, me. What's up? It's me, Hydra. Okay, guys, today I'm playing Minecraft Duos. I'm not good at Minecraft. Means treasure war, actually. I know something. Hey! What is this? Okay, no problem. And yeah, guys, I don't download Minecraft from, I don't buy the Minecraft because I don't have money. And so my father don't need to, anyways. So what is the spelling here, Minecraft down? I don't know what is here. I don't know what language is it. I don't know, but I know the BD zone. Okay, there is BD zone. Yeah, I don't download Minecraft from BD zone, but I don't know what the language is. Minecraft down. Okay, nice. The defender. Okay, I will see my any friend is online. No, and there. No, my any friend is not online. Okay, anyways, I will go. Sorry. I go from trios. No, guys. I will go for mega. Today I will play mega because I am not good at treasure war. You know, treasure war. Me go. What's up, Steve? Or my net is not good because in my country is a network problem. So our network is not good. That's why my net is so laggy. My game is so laggy, and I have to study. Then I have to I have to go study because you know. What is this? If every time my game lag like this, so I can't play. What the heck is that? And if you guys like my videos, you know what you have to do: subscribe and like, and others. You know better than me what you have to do in this video. Hey, how can you go there? Because I can't go there, and yeah, there is so guys, I think I am in blue team and I'm level 19 now. I'm not good at Minecraft treasure world. Bye, bro. I need this. No, no, no. Hey, don't take this. Go here. Go ahead. Is a chain skin. What? So, I like to play Minecraft duos, means mega and multiplayer, not solos. Because I love to play with others. Because if I play solo, I I know I am dying. I am die. I don't win anytime. Sometimes I play better, but I don't recording. And if I record Minecraft, so I am not my gameplay is not good. Hey, that's my emerald. Okay, okay. That's yours. I will go for destroy his base. Hey, what are you doing? Go. Bridge fast! What are you doing? Bridge! Bridge faster! They are coming! What is your problem? From your... It's your... Why are you coming here? Okay, I don't... I think I have to fool them. I will troll them. Yeah, bro, what's up? I don't have any sword. Bye bye. I don't have any sword, sorry. I don't have any type of sword. Yeah. Vivek, you are died. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh. Okay. That's not a GIF I make with my mouth. With my foils. Hey, noob. Why you running? Why are you running? Are you running? Why are you running? Come here. You are not that good player. Because I am easier. If you are so bad, then I am your dad. Go! Go ahead! Go ahead! Oh. Nice, bro. Nice, dude. Dude, it's Rocky. Let's go. GG, boys. GG. GG to red team. Blackjack, good. He is coming here. You can't come. Freeman. What is the name? Freeman. Who take the name? Hey, what you have to do? What you can do to kill me? If you kill me, I don't eliminate it. We have our treasure. Hey, kill him! Kill Vivek! Dude, no. Hey, wow, he had the chicken. Auto breacher. Hey, side, Mr. Deku. Side if you can. I want gold 20. That's plenty. 20, that's plenty. 20, that's plenty. Oh. Where is the player? I want to kill him. I want to kill the last player. The last player is the fast player. What? Hey, is it here? No, it's our team. What? He is at the... Oh! Okay. Oh, no, wait. Sweet victory! Yeah, it's a sweet victory. Zero final kill, so it's a sweet victory, guys. Nice. Goku. Oh. Guys, Are you watch Dragon Ball Z? No. Who was Dragon Ball Z? Comment down below. Oh no. Win low, wee hoo. Why you why you running? Why are you running? Johnny? Johnny, yes papa. Eating sugar, no pie. Words. Copyright. It's the second episode of Minecraft Treasure War. Third, sorry guys, third. Hey, he's a pro. Nice. Fast bridging. I can do fast bridging, but my game is so laggy. So I don't do the fast bridging. Oh no, he I think he's at PC because he do the jump bridging. He did the jump bridging. So I think he's at the PC. Okay, nice bro. Okay, no. Oh, why I bridge on my game is so laggy? When I bridge only, when I only do bridging, so this time my game is so laggy. In all things, my game is not that laggy, not much that laggy. But when I play, when I do the bridging, my game lags so hardly. Why? How is it possible? Destroy that treasure. Destroy. Boss now viewable. I have to kill him. Kill them. No. Oh no. Oh yes. I died. I want a kill. Want a kill. AVF. I want kill. Don't kill all players. I want a kill. No way. I think I don't have the kill now. We. He killed all the players. Sad vibes. Why? I wanna kill anyone. Don't do this. I wanna kill the last player. I don't want. What is that? 0 kills, but I win. Yeah. 3 matches, guys. 3 matches. 0 kill, 1 death. I died, but I don't kill any. I can't kill anyone. But how? Because I'm at speed controls. So guys, subscribe. I need 1k subscribers, then I will do my face reveal. Okay guys, 1k subs and I do my face reveal. He is pro than me, but he is not good at parkour. Wow, 22. I don't even go to 22 level in time. In my other account, Hydro Gaming 5070, I have another account where my account is corrupted. Corrupted means my account is hacked. Yeah guys, and you have to sneak, but I don't have to sneak. Bye. Hey, sad vibes. He's a pro because he is at computer PC. So guys, if you don't know this trick, come here and jump. Oh no, you have to sprint and jump. Sprint and jump. Sad vibes. Noob. No, you are pro. Sorry. What's up? I have hip-hop skin. Yeah. My friend gifted. Do you know the friend? Remember the guy? Arrow Octopus. He gave me the skin. Yeah. So guys, today I'm using my voice. Yeah. Are you happy? Because I reached my 8 subscriber. I said if I have 5 subscriber, I will do my I will reveal my voice, and when I have 1k subs, then I do my face reveal. Yeah. I want to go the blue. Blue, please. Hey. Are you wanna kill me? Go ahead. 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 Oh. But now I am in the phone. I play with foam. What is foam? I don't know. What's my foam? Nice. So guys. So guys. Okay, nice. Hey, there is blue. Bully player. Hey, no! Black G! Oh no! But, hey, go ahead. Go ahead. Die! You have to do suicide. Suicide. Do suicide. Kill him! No. No way. Hey, what's up? Diamond sword, noob. Wow. I think he's died. Blackjack. A Black G. Anyway. Today I will do the editing, guys. Yeah, of course. No, I know. Wait. My game is so laggy because our network problem in our country. There is a network problem in our country, so we can't. My net is not very good. Not very good. Not very good. Not very good. Okay, I will go from here. Here the diamond sword. I want the diamond and what and it's a mistake. Sorry. But I don't know what is an hair. What? I don't know what is the language. What I say now. Yeah, that's mine. And yeah, guys, today is the Hive update. Means treasure world update. Sorry, not Hive. Treasure world update. We have boombox in our. Hello, it's purple. It's purple color. Is it a glitch, or anyone or anyone have the purple? Is our no? Their treasure are destroyed. I will go to destroy their treasure. Treasury wadis. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. Come guys. Come. No, I don't want to die because I have 14. No way. Destroy guys. Destroy. If I win, no, I want a kill. Rick, don't kill anyone. I wanna kill everybody if I can. Like. So guys, that's not a problem. My lag problem is my mobile, not network, because I don't have a better the for the lockdown means for the coronavirus. For coronavirus, I can't buy any. I cannot buy any phone. I have to buy Buy the ROG phone. No, this blue team player is here. Blue team player is here. Wow, my English. But that's not bad. That's not bad. Blue boss is dead. The blue is dead. Wow, wow. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, sad vibes. Please. Sad, please. Sad, please. Sad, please. Sad, please. I wanna kill him. Okay, kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Do you want to kill anyone? So kill him. 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 Kill anybody. Oh. Nice. Protect it now. Or anyone come and destroy our treasure. So what can you do? Tell me. I have too many swords, and I have bow. No, I'm no. I know I'm. Why? Why 0 kills? Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. It's a short video. I know it's a big video. So thanks for watching. Bye.